When it comes to homemade desserts, the BRIOBITE 1.1 Quart Ice Cream Maker stands out as a versatile and convenient option for families and dessert lovers. This electric ice cream machine is designed not just for ice cream, but also for gelato, milkshakes, sorbets, and even slushies. Its biggest highlight is the modern USB-C charging system powered by a 2,600 mAh lithium battery. With this, the machine can prepare at least 3 batches of ice cream on a single charge. Even more impressive, it can operate while charging, eliminating the common struggle of finding a nearby power outlet. This portability means users can enjoy frozen treats outdoors, at gatherings, or simply in the comfort of their kitchen without worrying about tangled cords or limited access to power. Another strong feature is the 1.1 quart capacity. This size is perfect for both small households and gatherings, ensuring there's enough to share without overwhelming storage or preparation space. Unlike smaller models that make just a few servings, this ice cream maker strikes the right balance between compactness and practicality. Families can enjoy a movie night with bowls of homemade vanilla or strawberry, while parties can be upgraded with freshly churned chocolate fudge. The included recipe book adds extra value by offering more than 20 creative options, ranging from classic flavors to sugar-free or dairy-free alternatives. Each recipe is tested for texture and consistency, allowing users to enjoy professional quality desserts without the steep learning curve. Ease of use is another area where this product shines. The process is simple. Just pre-freeze the bowl for 24 hours, add the chosen ingredients, and in 25 to 35 minutes, the machine delivers creamy, smooth ice cream. This makes it not only fun for adults, but also engaging for kids who want to watch their dessert come to life. Unlike store-bought treats filled with preservatives and artificial flavors, the BRIOBITE machine allows users to create wholesome and natural desserts. From refreshing fruity sorbets on a hot summer day to indulgent chocolate milkshakes during the winter, the options are endless. It brings the joy of customization, giving full control over sweetness, texture, and flavor combinations. Finally, maintenance is a breeze, which is often a concern with kitchen appliances. The BRIOBITE Ice Cream Maker has removable parts that rinse clean quickly with warm water, saving time and effort. Its stylish silver finish and modern design make it a great addition to any kitchen counter. Beyond personal use, it also makes a thoughtful gift thanks to its sleek packaging and practicality. Whether for birthdays, housewarming parties, or holidays, it's a unique present that combines fun, health, and everyday convenience. Overall, this machine is more than just an ice cream maker. It's a tool for creating memories, experimenting with flavors, and enjoying fresh, guilt-free desserts whenever the craving strikes.